nakapula yung kambal, si Kairos.
Ay, yan yung kaklase ko dati.
Hindi pa rin. Tapos mag-park si Mama.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let's go, Alon. You're going with Papa Roy. Alon, asan yung bus mo? Hindi ka. Sa classroom muna. Classroom. Kay Teacher Tony. Ha? Okay. Bye-bye, Mama. Halo, dito. Di ka. Bye, Mama.
The bus, look. Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Kapag nakarating po tayo ng maaga po sa Santa Elena, of course, no running, very good.
No jumping.
No jumping. What else?
No touching your food in the chair.
Oh, yun. Remember, what is your name?
Alon.
Alon. Very good si Alon. Okay, gising na kasi si Alon.
Nakakain mo, Alon. Nakakain mo.
Sandwich.
O, sino first time magsi-zipline? Yes, okay. Later po, animals po, kasama na po yun. Okay? So, bibigyan sa Helena po, sa Helena States. So, yung pababaan po natin po.
Ito na yung lugar, no? Ayan na yung mga farm, eh. Kaso, nag-break lahat. Alot! Hila.
If this is the K11 or following the instruction, ha? Are you guys ready? Parang I don't think so. Are you guys ready?
Animal feeding.
Just take the carrot inside. One lang din, ha? Ayun na.
Huwag kong bigay lahat, ha? Ano yung binigay mong carrot sa guinea pig? Ilan? Ilan binigay mong carrots? 2? Eh, paano yung rabbit? Wala na. Kaya nang bibigay? Kanino, Alon?
Please remember that for the fish, ha?
Dito, dami. Yun.
You ask more pa, you ask more.
Binuhos mo na naman lahat. Binuhos mo lahat, ha?
Kids, let's all say good morning to Kuya Ronel. Good morning, and he will give the one.
Okay, ito. Playground. Bye, Alon. Bye. Doon tayo sa kalabaw. Alon, doon. Kalabaw, doon. Antayin natin yung kalabaw. Wala pa yung kalabaw. Yan na!
Stars will stop.
Follow Kuya Bert po. Oh, where's your companion first? Bawal ko. Oh, you were coming down. Sige, go. 1, 2. Ba't iniiwan yung mga bata? Iniiwan ng mga companion.
Kami nga yung iniiwan eh. Okay na daw.
Tumakbo na pagkatapos ng kalabaw. Zipline. Oh, it's closed. Ano gagawin mo? Zipline? Okay. Fall in line.
There's si Alon.
Alon!
Ano talaga eh, no?
Ano ulam mo, Alon?
Adobo.
Up.
Here.
Hmm?
I don't know where this tire is. Different place with taco.
Pupunta.
I go to the bread factory.
Bread factory. Pagod ka na? Pagod ka na?
It's too energy.
Gardenia.
First. Okay. Of course. So now, kids.